I don't know if you already know this, but Robinhood is giving out free stocks just for sharing their platform with your friends and family. I just received another free stock today for referring a friend. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm going to be revealing it for you right now. If you're not already signed up, you can claim your free stock in the link down below. I put it in the description of this video. So anyways, this is what you can expect when you receive a free stock. So right now I'm logged into my Robinhood account and I went over to the free stocks tab right here. Once you create an account, you're going to get your own referral link that you'll be able to share with your friends and family so that you can be receiving stocks. It's down right here on the right side of the page. When you get a free stock, you just have to scroll down. Here's some information on the program. You have 1 in 150 chance of getting a stock like Microsoft, Apple, Berkshire Hathaway in those price ranges, and then 1 in 200 chance of getting a GE stock, Energy Transfer, or CenturyLink. You can see right here. But every time you invite someone and they sign up, the platform's free to sign up. You'll both get a free stock 100% of the time. But this right here is showing you what are your chances of getting certain kind of stocks. But you always have 100% chance of getting a free stock. Down here is where you track your referrals. You keep scrolling down to past invites, and you can see I have a couple. I have one that's pending. I have 2 that joined. I got a share of Groupon and ZNGA. And I have one today that is unclaimed. That's one of my friends right there. But you can see I have an unclaimed one, and we're about to claim it right now. I don't know what it is, and we're about to find out together. Click claim. Pick a card to reveal your free stock. Okay. I don't know which one to pick because I want a really good one. And I really want to get something like Apple. That would be nice. But let me see. I'm just gonna close my eyes and then I'm gonna put my finger down. Hopefully the stock gods send me a nice healthy stock. Let's do this. I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna push down on one of these cards. I didn't click nothing yet. Alright, here I go again. What is it? Congratulations. Oh my goodness. You got 1 share of Zigna worth 4.72 cents. $4.72, one stock. I've gotten this stock before, and you know what? I can't complain. I'm happy about my free stock. Next time I get a referral, hopefully I get an Apple share, because that would be really nice. And I've seen a couple people in forums talking about them getting Apple shares and nice big pricey stocks like that. But today, unfortunately, I got a Zynga, but you know what? I can't complain. Free is free, and if it was free, guess what? That's profit, right? So if you're not already signed up, go to the link down below in my description and you can claim your free stock there. And once you're signed up, you'll get your own link so that you can keep referring friends and family and members of the community so that they can get free stocks and you can keep on getting free stocks. The program caps off at $500, so you can't pass $500 in free shares, but hey, that's $500 right there. So you can keep doing this until you reach a $500 limit around there. Thank you guys, and I hope you guys get something cool. If you had no money to invest, now you don't have an excuse because this stuff will get you started for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe because you never know what we're going to upload next. Peace!